You have applied to 1,000 plus jobs, refresh your email again and again, and still nothing. No calls, no replies, just silence. And after a point, it starts to feel like maybe the market is down or luck just isn't your side. But the real truth is something else. Your profile is getting filtered out before human even sees it. You and your friend might have the same degree, similar skills, even similar effort. Yet they are getting interview calls while you are not getting. Why? Because their overall approach is clearer, more aligned, while yours might be scattered, not optimized. And that's where the frustration hits. And you start questioning yourself, am I good enough? When in reality, you're not even getting a fair chance to prove it. So instead of blindly applying to more jobs, pause and fix your entire approach. It's not just about your resume, it's about how you choose roles, how you present yourself, how you follow up, and how you prepare. Every step matters. And the good news is that you don't have to figure out all of this alone. AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude can help at every stage of your job hunt, but only if you use them the right way. Because AI is only as powerful as the prompts you give it. Remember, weak input equals weak output. So in this video, I'm going to share 7 powerful prompts that can transform your entire job hunt. From choosing the right roles to optimizing your resume, writing cover letters, follow-ups, LinkedIn, interview preparation, etc. From today, you won't need to depend on anyone. And your job applications won't get ignored anymore. And they will actually start getting noticed. Now let's start with the prompt number 1, Resume Optimizer. You want to optimize your resume, but don't just say like this, optimize my resume for ATS systems. Why? Because you will get a generic result. It might improve your resume slightly, but it won't significantly increase your chances of getting shortlisted. Instead, give a clear and powerful prompt like this. Act as an expert resume writer and ATS specialist. Rewrite my resume to be ATS-friendly. Add relevant keywords from the job description, improve bullet points with measurable results, and make the formatting clean and easy to scan. And suggest a strong summary and better action verbs. This way, you are not just asking AI to optimize. You are telling it exactly how to think, what to focus on, and the outcome you want. Now coming to the prompt number 2, Job Fit Analyzer. Yes, if you want to identify the most suitable job roles for you based on your resume, don't just say, analyze my resume and suggest the top 5 job titles I'm most qualified for. Because that will give you the generic suggestions without real direction. Instead, use the strong prompt like this. Act like a career coach and recruiter. Analyze my resume. You can paste your resume here. Based on my skills, experience, current job market trends, suggest the top 5 job roles I'm best suited for. For each role, explain why I'm good fit, what skill I'm missing, and how can I improve my chances of getting shortlisted. This way, you're not just getting job titles, you're also getting clarity and a clear path to improve your chances. Now coming to the prompt number 3, Cover Letter Creator. You want to generate a personalized and role-specific cover letter. So don't just say like this. Write a short and personalized cover letter for job title XYZ at company ABC using confident and human tone. Instead, use a stronger prompt like this. Write a short and personalized cover letter for the role of job title XYZ at company ABC. Here is my resume, paste your resume here, and here is my job description. Paste your job description here. Highlight my most relevant skills and achievements and align them with the role and keep the tone confident, natural, and human, not robotic. This way, your cover letter doesn't just sound good, it actually connects your profile to the role and increases the chances of getting noticed. Now, it's time for follow-up message. So let's have prompt for follow-up message. Write a polite and concise follow-up email after my interview for the role of job title XYZ at company ABC. Keep the tone professional, confident, and human and not desperate. And also include a subtle reminder of my value. Now coming to the next one. If you want your resume to be rewritten for a specific job title, you may give prompt like this. Rewrite my resume for the role of job title ABC. Here is my resume, paste your resume there, and the job description, paste your job description there. Use strong action verbs, highlight relevant skills, and tailor the content specifically to this role. Keep it concise, impactful, and ATS friendly. Now coming to the next one, LinkedIn revamp, where you want to change LinkedIn headline, bio, and experience section to attract recruiters. So your prompt should be like this. Act like a personal branding expert and recruiter, rewrite my LinkedIn headline, about section, and experience to attract recruiters for role XYZ. Here is my resume, paste your resume here. Optimize it with relevant keywords, highlight my achievements with measurable impact, and make it clear what value I bring. Keep the tone professional, confident, and human. And also suggest 3 headline variations and improvements for better visibility. Now coming to the prompt number 7. When you want to prepare for interview and you want interview preparation questions and answer, you can give prompt like this. Act as an experienced interviewer. I am preparing for job title XYZ at company XYZ. Here is my resume, paste your resume there. Job description, paste your job description. Now generate 10 likely interview questions tailored to this role. For each question, provide a strong and concise answer using the STAR method based on my experience. Keep the answer natural, specific, and impactful, not generic. And highlight common mistakes to avoid. So these are 7 prompts that will help you in your job hunt. That's all for now. I hope you find this helpful. So thank you and see you next time. Take care.